What is going on, guys? Andrew Graffiata back with a new video. Today I'm back with my friend Terrell. Check out his YouTube channel. His link will be down in the description. First link in the description. And while you guys are down there checking out his channel, make sure you go ahead and like it and subscribe on this video. Let's try to hit 35 likes today. I know you can do it. I believe in you. The only way we can do this challenge is if you guys get us to 35 likes. Alright, so for today's video, we are doing the Dr. Pepper, or I guess it's not necessarily Dr. Pepper, but we are doing the soda challenge where you have to drink a 2 liter of soda without burping. We are going to attempt this and probably fail because that sounds impossible. We'll crack right into it. Terrell, say hi to the camera. You haven't said anything.
How you doing?
Alright, let's go. Yeah. You ready?
No. Get a little feel. Yeah, this is gonna be one little sip. I already had a burp.
It burns. Okay.
I don't know how to hold a burp in.
Swallow it.
It's like literally in my throat. We'll stay in there.
Almost
in
keep
there.
accidentally almost burping.
It's like right there. It's literally. It's impossible. It's coming up.
Don't make me laugh, or else I'll accidentally burp. Are you gonna drink it slowly?
This is literally right here. It won't go away.
Don't burp. Drink more soda. I'm gonna burp, bro. I can't do it. Don't burp. Oh, it hurts. I never tried holding in a burp before. I'm gonna puke. I'm gonna...
Oh, it hurts my stomach.
I can't.
I practiced today too. I'm gonna die. Dude, oh, my stomach.
I can't. I have to burp. I have to burp.
Oh, it hurts.
Oh,
It's poured. It just came out of me. It's horrible. We'll try it again. I already failed, but I'll just try it again. Before I get a drink. Oh!
it hurts.
Oh God! This is full. I'm just full of air. Combination.
Combination.
Combination makes you burp.
Yeah. Not in drinking it fast.
Alright, if I took one sip at a time,
I think so.
Alright, I'm sorry.
Just chill.
Sorry now. Here we go.
Dude, it hurts. Did you feel it in your stomach? Like it felt like you were gonna puke? So now the audio should be better because I just plugged my mic in. This hurts.
I can do this.
Not the pee now. Let's try it one more time.
Dude, I feel like I chugged that last little bit. I literally drank maybe this much. I thought I was just going, just pounding.
Like the gallon challenge.
Yeah, but I was just like, I thought it'd be down here. Down, went down an inch.
Okay, ready? tongue burns.
Maybe the goal is to just get really into it. Get really intimate with it, you know what I'm saying?
Oh.
Intimate.
Like,
just... Oh my god.
it hurts my stomach.
I can't. Yeah.
Knowing you.
Woo!
That's a sound you make before you puke.
What?
Here, watch, it'll play right now. Okay, yep, that's what it sounds like, I told you. I just can't think. It's impossible, it's definitely impossible. So if you're gonna do this, make sure your parent or guardian's around so you don't choke and die from your burp. Because I didn't know how to hold down a burp. Like, how do you hold a burp
I don't
down?
think it's not possible to hold on a burp. It's supposed to come out of you.
Like, when we were trying to hold it, our stomach just, I don't know, I felt like I was gonna puke.
Either puke or
Burp.
explode.
Yeah. Yeah. It was a lot of fun. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you, Terrell, for making this video with me. I hope you guys like all the videos that have been coming out. Make sure you like and subscribe on my channel, and make sure you go check out his channel. Thank you. Peace.
Deuces. Oh.